a place to belong. Break the walls we build inside, heal the fear we try to hide. One love, one heart, we are the same. No more hatred, no more blame. Hold the stranger like your own. No one walks this world alone. Feet are weary, roads are long, still they carry hope so strong. Don't turn faces